Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an absolutely amazing day. Absolutely amazing. That seems like kind of a lot to ask. That seems like kind of a stretch. How about a decent day? Could we have a decent day? A decent day would be nice, thanks. Anyway, I'm gonna address this right now because it looks so hideous. What happened was I was trying to do a craft and I may or may not have been a little inebriated. I'm hot gluing something. I'm trying to use my hot glue gun from the 99-cent store, some shit. Trying to shove the glue stick into the hole and the glue squeezes out and gets on my arm. I have never had a hot glue gun burn before and the glue is really hot. And there you go. There you go. In case you're wondering. Anyway, I feel like getting cute and glam. As you guys can already tell, I'm halfway there. We're halfway there. I wanted to do a cute, kind of like cute, maybe pastel goth, pastel-y, something with pastel makeup look. I got this adorable little package from ColourPop that had some of their newest collection, or at least newest to me, and it's a pastel, like adorable little pastel collection. So we're gonna create something with this. I already tested out one product actually, the coconut face milk from 4th Grade Beauty. It's nice. It's nice and liquidy. It's like a nice liquidy lotion. And then I did a bunch of other stuff, and I feel like before we move on to the eyes, I gotta test out these highlighters. Okay, we have two here. This one is called Manifest That, and this is a super shot highlighter. Look at that. It's so soft and silky and like just soft, silky, and stunning. So there is the swatch right there. And then this one is You're a Trip. Kind of looks like something that like a little girl would like really like, you know, with the pink and the purple, and it's just like very girly and cute. That's them next to each other. And then on the skin, if you like more of a yellowy peach vibe, I would go with Manifest That. If you like a more pinky silver, You're a Trip. You guys probably know which one I'm gonna be doing. You know what, should I do both? So you can see what it looks like on the face. I mean, I am kind of like reviewing these products. Would it kill me to try both out? Let's do Manifest That on this side. Let's do You're a Trip on the other side. Okay, there's the difference. I mean, can you tell the difference? That has more of a white shine to it, but let's see what it would look like if I turn these lights off. Okay, keep your eye on that highlight. It's still pretty if you face it to the light, but I just want you guys to see what we're working with here. And now, just to even things out, I'm gonna put a little both on both sides. You probably don't need to buy both of these. There's pasta sauce on my face. If anybody can successfully eat spaghetti without getting pasta sauce on their face, you deserve an award. Okay, let's do eyes. Let's do eyes. Yay. Dun, 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 dun. The palette. This is called the Miss Bliss Pressed Powder Palette. How freaking adorable is that? I'm gonna swatch them for you guys really quick. So here we have Of Quartz. I get it. Up next is Intuitive. Intuitive. And this one is Whoa. Loves It. Law of Attraction, which is a chunky ass glitter. Palo Santo. Chakra to Me. Optimist. Wow, that one is powdery. And then Vibrant Theme. What a cute arrangement of colors and textures, huh? Alright, I've already got concealer on my lids. I'm just gonna smooth that around. I might need to go into Intuitive for blush, to be honest. Look at that adorable just peach. Why is there no peach blush that came with this collection? I don't understand. Like, so I feel like I need to put Loves It in the crease because it's like one of the more darker mattes. So let's start out with that. There's something inside of me that crawls beneath the surface. There's just something about like cutesy shit that I really like. It holds power over me. This is really cute. So I'm just packing it right now. Packing it onto the crease. Been kind of into this type of shit lately, just packing, because I get less fallout and better coverage. Like, why not? Does anybody even care about reviews and tutorials anymore? Not trying to be all like, woe is me with all of the major issues that are like happening in the world, but in the beauty community, it's like, if it's not drama, like, does anybody give a shit? I'll just be over here being problematic. I'm really a saint if you think about it. I'm gonna blend that out with Of Quartz. When I first saw the name, I thought, oh, Of Quartz, like Queen of Hearts, Queen of Quartz? Dude, I don't know if it's just because these are pastels, but they're blending really nice. There's glitter everywhere though. There is glitter everywhere. These are mattes that have glitter in them, and there's glitter getting everywhere. I'm gonna be doing the same exact thing on the lower lash that I just did. So Pack On Loves It, which is the darker, it's not really a dark pink at all really, but it's the darker pink. Let's go all the way around. Yeah. Pink eye, come through. And then blend that out with Of Quartz. Of Quartz. Of Quartz. Okay, and I forgot, I hate this brush for cutting creases. So next I'm cutting the crease. What is that? Baby, what are you doing? All right, I really want to get into some of these peach shades. What? Baby. Hey, anybody else's cats just like attack their fake flowers? Do you need more like vegetables in your diet? What the fuck, dude? Okay. Ungrateful is what you are. I want to dip into this one right here. Next to that, we're gonna go in here with Vibrant Thing. Gonna put Optimist on the outer corner of where the cut crease is. And damn, this is the most pigmented powdery shadow in the palette, but I kind of wish that the other shades in the palette were like this, because I feel like I like it better. I do believe that this is one of the palettes where you're not supposed to use the one in the middle, the chunky glitter, which is called Law of Attraction right there. Yeah, I feel like don't put that in. Maybe put in something that you can actually use. I totally forgot about the eye pencils, y'all. BFF Cream Gel Liner Kit. Ooh, and it comes with a white. Perfect. If these aren't just adorbs. So I went ahead and swatched the liners for you guys. Goodness me, those are creamy. We got this peach vibe going on, so I'm gonna do the peach one. Oh, that's fun. Oh, my period cramps are hitting me really hard right now. Now I'm gonna do my signature big ass wing here. Today I'm using the Wonder Ink eyeliner by Rimmel, and it's actually pretty cool. The tip is really long and floppy. Perfect for getting into all those nooks and crannies, honey. And 800 years later, I'm back with lashes on. I went in, honey, and I did a bunch of little individuals on the bottom. Just I had to, I don't know. Just realized I need a little bit more blush, because why the fuck not? Oof. I think I want to dip into those right there for a little extra blush. Let's just try Intuitive first. Need a bigger brush. Perfect. Get that all over the face, across the nose, on the center of the face as well. And then I think I got a try of quartz. Oh, this is too cute. This is to die for, you guys. I'm gonna throw on a lip really quick. This is Lunatic Cosmetics Labs in the shade Lowry. Lowry. Like Lowry seasoning salt. I think that matches the eyes really well. This is so cute. And then the collection also came with a shimmering dry oil from Soul Body, and this is the shade Rainbow Glow, which, oh my goodness, that is stunning. That is beautiful and stunning in every way. Ooh. Oh, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. And oh wow, well, now that's a coconut scent, honey. That's a coconut scent. My hands. Just said I didn't want body glitter, and look at me now. Okay, the pump is kind of stupid. Guess they gotta skimp on something, huh? Yes. That is beautiful. Oh, I'm all red now, but beautiful. I have this little heart tattoo stamp thingy, and I just think it would be so cute to put some hearts. Oh, that's adorable. Well, if that ain't just the cutest goddamn thing you've ever seen. I really need to see what it looks like with a black lip, though. That seems a little bit more like it, doesn't it? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Beep.